Hello Libra, this is your monthly reading for the month of May. So let's check out. First, we see the overall theme for your love energy and your partner, and then we check the energy of you, that how you feel towards them and how they feel towards you. And at the last, we have the final outcome and the song. So let's check out your overall theme for the month of May. So for beautiful Libra, your overall theme for the month for the May. So we have two cards here. The first card is like a timeout, and the second card is like a synchronicity. So you are like going through a lot of synchronicity in your life in the month of May. Some sort of a like sequence of something that is like attracting you, some sort of a goal or maybe new opportunity. Something is like coming towards you because there is some sort of a timeout, some sort of a situation or things that are not serving you anymore. So there are some specific sequences that the universe send you towards you, so that you recognize something and you start something new, right? So let me see your partner's overall theme for the month of May. So what they are up to, overall theme for your partner's energy. So they have the manifestation. So total concentration and self-discipline. So total concentration of your partner is like on a manifestation. They are very much in the month of May. They are very much in a self-discipline and self-control. This person learning self-control and the self-discipline in the month of May, and so that they will manifest what they want from their life. They are manifesting some sort of abundance in their life, and at the you also see the sequence of something that is attracting you, like eye catching, some sort of a signal. See bottom of the deck again, this is like some sort of a arrows sending you away by the divine. You have to recognize some sort of a synchronicity, right? Some sort of a, you have to, maybe some sort of a symbol signs you are getting in the month of May. So you have to little bit alert that what sort of signals universe sending towards you, or maybe this is your partner who is sending some sort of a singles sorry signals towards you. So let's check out your love energy of my beautiful Libras, your love energy towards your partner. So first card we have the Nine of Wands. So this card is representing like, this card is all about that you want to fight for this connection. No matter how much difficulties you are facing in your love life, but still you have a lot of passion for your partner, that you still want to fight for the connection. So let's check out your partner's love energy. So we have a three cards here, that is Six of Swords, Six of Cups, two sixes, Nine of Cups. So what I'm getting, that they want some sort of a peaceful resolution with you, whatever the difficulties you both are going through in this love connection. They want to organize some sort of a trip or short journey. They simply take you out at somewhere where you both spend some quality time together, or just this person just simply want some peaceful resolution. They don't want any difficulties anymore. They want some relaxation time with you. And the next card they have the Six of Cups. Six of Cups, that they know that this is something soulful, that you are their past life soulmate, and they do have a lot of memories with you, right? So this person feel the soulful connection, and they are manifesting you in their life, because you are the ultimate dream come true for your partner. You are the emotional satisfaction for this person, right? So they simply manifesting you, right? They are manifesting you in their life. This person is a very good manifester. Also this person maybe before they have or not, but they are maintaining some sort of a self discipline. So wow, that's great. They are continuously manifesting you for the month of May. This person is like so determined. They are not letting you go anywhere. So let's check out your love energy towards your partner. So I see the tar card, so I have to explain this. Maybe in the past something is not going well in your love connection, and maybe some sort of a breakdown. That's why there is a timeout card. See, there's something that is not serving you in this connection that need to be solved, right? So let's check out your love energy. Your love energy. You can't deny this connection because your partner is so strong that they are manifesting no matter if you both have breakup in the past, no matter what difficulties you have, they are continuously manifesting you. Even if you thought that you want to walk away from this connection, they are sending you some sort of a energy signals, whatever, or there is a chances of that they are doing some sort of a magic upon you to have you in their life. Because see, this person is very much determined to have you in their life, right? And if you want to walk away, you are not able to walk away from this connection because they continuously manifesting you back in their life. And both bottom of the deck, ace of wands. So definitely a lot of passion that you both share, lot of emotions that you both share in this connection. They are continuously thinking about you. See, ace of swords. So you want a truthful communication, the clarity regarding this connection. You want to clear something regarding this new beginning with this person, but there is a new beginning that is coming your way because they are manifesting you, they are continuously thinking about you. So whatever the confusion you are going through, there is some sort of a clarity coming your way. You just have to follow some sort of a symbol from the divine. So let me see the final outcome. If you see any number repeatedly, then just google that number, that what's that meaning, because maybe angels want to contact you with that number, right? That number maybe have some specific message for you. So let's check out the final outcome. Oh my god, so two of cups. Definitely this is a soulful connection, right? You both are soulmates and you both want to share your love of cup towards each other. This is the mutual energy, not the one sided. So definitely you also want to work out this connection, and your partner playing a really important role. And if you are the one who is like walking away from the connection, then this is the message for you that you can't deny this connection, right? So let me take one song for my beautiful libras. Happier. So this is the song Happier. So you may go and watch that song if you feel so. So this is your reading. So if you like this reading, then like, share, and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.